everybody, I just got my box set from MCR.com, finally, after like 5 months of waiting. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god, no way! No way! Ah! Dude, I'm gonna kill myself. I love this. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't need that crap. Oh! Okay, now I gotta take off all this plastic wrap. Oh my gosh.
Just open it.
I know. Alright, this comes off. And then it's like that. Alright. And then it's a box. Like that. Now I'm gonna open it up, if I even know how. Did it! Okay. Oh my gosh. Awesomeness. This is what it looks like, the inside. It's like a giant coloring book, except it's already colored. And it's all of them. Like that, and that, and that. It's really cool.
It even comes with a jello.
Oh my god, I got the yellow! Oh, I got the yellow, everybody. I got the yellow thing. And see these beads?
Anal beads.
These are mine. These are my anal beads, yo. So yeah, there's that. And then this mask, which I really hope is not made out of crap material. I was gonna be really pissed. Coolness. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Oh my gosh, I'm the yellow dude. Oh. And then like this thing, I'm guessing it's like, yeah, you hold up that thing on it or something like that. Yeah, it's a little case dude thing. Stand it. I don't need that crap. Don't need that crap. So now I'm stuck with this box. Okay, so this is all that came with it. It's fucking rad. I got Gerard's gun. Well, Gerard. I call him Gerard. Yeah. I'm very psyched. So, I got the party poison pack. And if you look at these beads, they're freaking kick-ass. Like, they have like the killjoy spider symbol on them. And stuff like that, like see, you can't really see it that well because my camera is making me mad, but yeah, they're really cool.